Hey guys, it's Linda from Linda Has a Travel Bug, and here I am at the Voco in Singapore, and it's an IHG, and I got it on points, and it was a bad deal. But anyway, come on in. This is 1921. It's on the 19th floor. And lots going on out there, so didn't want to be too loud. Basically you don't need a card to turn on the electricity, which is very nice. The bathroom light is on the outside. I'm just going to go ahead and get into it because I am in a hurry. So come on into the bathroom, check it out, or actually I'll show you. All right, so the first thing I noticed was a nice big shower. It's got a rain, and it's got like the regular one, and you can adjust it the way you want. And they've got the really good smelling shampoos and conditioner and gel. I think it's basically the same thing as the stuff that you wash your hands with. But I thought that was really pretty. And the water isn't going to pool because it's got the little step up. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's got a step up, so you don't have to worry about there being water all over the floor. Second thing I noticed that was interesting was, I haven't seen this in a long time, but there is a phone right above the toilet. So if you get yourself into trouble, which I don't know how you would do that, but you could call someone. That's pretty cool. So the toilet flushes fine, and it has one of these nozzles for, like a bidet or whatever. You can also wash the seat off, which I'm not going to do, because you can do that as well. Somebody had brought up that, it's just for other purposes, but I don't know about that. So anyway, so they included, the Voco included the Fresh Again dental kit, Clean Again shaving kit, which has got your shaving cream and shaver, sanitary bag, shower cap, which is always nice. And I'm not sure about this fine-tuning vanity kit. I guess I should check it out. But anyway, so they haven't really missed much for the bathroom. Towels are up top, nice big mirror, and it's big enough where you can actually see yourself, and there is ample lighting, which is very nice. Lotion, hand wash, which smells just like the shampoo, I'm sure. Oh, another thing, this is super neat. They've got filtered drinking water on tap. Very cool. This is something that I had at home, but at first I was washing my hands with this, and my partner was like, no, that's actually for, water that you drink. Anyway, so the faucet works great, just the same old, and then, of course, you've got your mirror, to do what you need to do, pop a pimple. And then you have a nice thick door to get some privacy. And you can definitely tell that ain't nobody gonna hear or see anything. And then we have the bar area where they try to get you in trouble, and you pay a bunch of money for, a bunch of junk. And then they have this. This is what was like, okay, so the reason they have the filtered water is so you'll buy the bottles for the water. That's kind of genius, in my opinion. It's really not that expensive either. The tea kettle that, doubles up for coffee as well, I guess. Or no, that's a coffee machine. Never mind. Okay, and then let's see. We've got all of this stuff, the goodies. We even got like a creamer, I guess, thingy here. That's pretty cool. Oh, and there's some biscuits in here. Yay. And then down here is a refrigerator, and be careful because I opened it wrong and I scuffed my hand really bad. You have to get it like this, not like this, and pull it. You want to pull like this. Anyway, so it's just standard, and they have like some stuff you can get yourself in trouble with and spend money, same old, but it's very discreet. I like this. And then hold on. They've got the long mirror. Very good. Excellent, as a matter of fact. Plenty of light. And then we have the same kind of stuff you see pretty much in any hotel. You've got some pillows up there and 2 robes and your ironing board and iron and dry cleaning if you want to spend a bunch of money. You've got your little menu to spend lots of money, you know, that standard stuff. Safe. And some more drawers with a blow dryer. Yay. And it has a nozzle for you girls out there. That's always very important to keep your hair from getting frizzy. And some slippers. Yay. Okay. I know I'm being cheesy. Sorry. I haven't eaten much today, so it's been a long day. So anyway, the next thing, hold on a second, is this is very nice for your luggage, and it also has a drawer underneath here. Good deal. Nice big TV. Lighting behind here to, actually I can probably show you because it's very dark outside. It's like a monsoon outside. Let me see, where are the lights? Where are the lights? I'm having to do this review early because I have a very early flight. I'm not sure where the lights are. Oh, let's see. Right here. Ah, okay. So, oh, that turns out the lights behind here. Darn it. Okay. Well, my bad. Never mind. I just wanted to, you know, you to see this, you know. It's very, it's lovely, actually. Lots of room here, somewhere to put extra stuff. Plenty of space, actually. Really cool. Big desk. Very, very big desk. I love this. A nice, comfortable chair. I'm digging this. This is good. Actually, it's amazing. This lamp over here, come on over here. Ow. Okay, maybe this isn't so good right here. That's actually dangerous, so be careful if you get this room. Right here, not so good. Ouch. Okay, come over here. So there's this lamp right here. It's really neat. It's kind of cool, and you get different shades of light. You know, the warm light, the cool light, and then there's a timer on here, which I don't know why anybody would use a timer, but they do, I'm sure. And let's see, what else? Lots of plugs, different kinds of plugs. You've got some pretty, let's see, audio, video. I'm not really sure what that is. I'm a girl, so I'm sure you can figure that out. If you want to bring a phone, you can always plug it in down there. That's interesting. I've never seen that one before. Whoa. You could actually literally bring your own phone that you bought somewhere, you know, like one of those phones. Okay. Another place to put something. Maybe you want to eat something. Maybe you want to eat here. I don't know. Maybe you just want to relax. Very comfortable chair. I don't know about this pillow. I guess you can clean. Yeah, you can take this off and clean it. I don't know how clean it is, but you know, there's an option there. And then you have your clock and, you know, just the same stuff you would see in any hotel. And then the lights and master off, I guess to turn off. Ah, okay. That's interesting. Master on, you know, and I noticed one thing, there isn't a Bible in here. Instead, there's like a flashlight. I'm pretty sure this is a flashlight. I guess if the lights go out, you know, and you're scared, uh-oh, this thing doesn't work. Thought it was working. Oh, well, I'll try to figure that out later. But yeah, anyway, so the bed, not bad. And I'll tell you why. Because they preemptively put one of those mattress toppers on top because, of course, their beds are really hard, you know, in Asia. So I was really impressed by that. Pillows, you know, run-of-the-mill pillows. And nice big fat duvet. Very nice. Overall, I'd say this hotel is pretty good. There's carpet, which I haven't seen in a long time. Very comfortable on people's feet that, you know, people that have bad feet, older people like me, I really appreciate it. But some other people may not appreciate it because it may be filthy to them, you know. maybe I shouldn't be wearing my shoes. That's probably my main problem, is that I just literally did not take my shoes off. I'm so sorry. I am a Westerner. Okay, so, but I will take my shoes off after this video. Okay, so I'm going to show you downstairs next, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you, my 2 cents on this. I think this is a 10. I really think that they have gone above and beyond. They gave us free breakfast, and it wasn't because they know that I'm doing this review. They have no idea. Not yet. They have no idea. So they were very cool. Man, I'm rambling right now. What else can I tell you? Just let me show you the rest of the place. Okay. This is a nice gym. Got a bathroom. I guess this is the men's bathroom. It's got your mats. Wow, this place is huge. This is one of the nicest gyms I've ever seen at a hotel, and it smells so good. Nice and fresh. And for once, I do not have any time to work out because I have such an early flight in the morning. But wow, I'm definitely coming back to this hotel. Wow, they got a Stairmaster. When was the last time you saw a Stairmaster in a hotel? Got your water. Women's bathroom, which I'm not going in. Towels. Wow, incredible. So good. Nice. Oh, what's this? Afternoon tea. Okay, let's go check out the pool. I don't think you need a card. closed. It's raining, so I'm not gonna walk out here, but that's pretty nice. Got your towels, got your hot tub, and your showers. Very nice. It's raining. Very nice. Okay. And your dining room.